Hi guys, today it's update 3 and so far we've made a lot of progress. We've finished book 3. Look at all my progress of the next part of Hogwarts Castle. There's all the rock bits. This time it wasn't too hard because it's not as much as the Great Hall. Then we're going to turn this way. Then there's a chessboard and another room with all the keys. And then there's the plant room in there. And then, if we turn it around, there's the potion rooms. Now, today, we also have the books to look at. So we've got 28 through 37, so 28 to 29 builds that, 30 to 31 builds that, 32 to 34 builds that, 35 to 37 builds that. And today, we're going to get a bit more reviews done, but I'm going to wait for you to watch those videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because next update will be the finale. Thanks, guys.